Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I am unboxing or unbagging, as it were, Apocalyptic Beauty. Apocalyptic Beauty is an indie makeup brand. They are cruelty-free and vegan. And they have themes every month. Their monthly subscription bag is $14. And their themes are always kind of dark and spooky, kind of up my alley. And February, how am I in February? I thought this was the March bag, but anyway, I guess this is February. I'm so sorry. I have been sitting on this for a couple days, but I thought it was March come early. But it's, I was mistaken. So anyway, it is February 2020 Wolf Spirit, which is very cool. And it looks like March theme is Area 51, and hopefully I will get that soon. So, oh, this is so adorable. So you get this little bag full of their stuff, and there's little velvety paw prints on here. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. I love it. I love this bag already. Usually they throw in this card, business card, so that you can get to the website and everything. And I'll put that information below for you if you're interested in subscribing. They always send a candy. What is this? Fruit flavored snacks. Scooby-Doo, Scooby snacks. So basically they sent me Scooby snacks. Doesn't have, it's a fruit snack. So probably it's okay. I don't eat, I'm vegetarian. So I don't eat gelatin, but I think fruit snacks are okay. I'll have to look it up. But anyway, Scooby snacks. So that's kind of cool. Let's see what else is in here. That was my cat. So the first thing in here is Bloodlust lip gloss. So that is a really bright red. I love this already. Oh, it comes with a doe foot applicator, which I will swatch here. So it's sort of a blood red, shiny metallic. I don't know if you could just hear my cats running and meowing as they ran down the steps. They're so funny. But anyway, so here's that. So pretty. And then the next things, they usually send loose shadows. And this is so Lupa, which is also lip safe. So this is sort of a medium brown. Let me swatch that. It's a matte. These are, because they're loose and not pressed, these are a little bit more difficult to swatch well. Then the next one is Fenrir. Oh my goodness, this is really, really, really pretty. Okay, it is a brownish gray with a blue shimmer. That is really pretty. It's like a brownish purpley gray with a blue shimmer to it. I think that would look really pretty on the lid. I really like this. One of the things I like about when they usually send 3 colors, and they're usually ones that you can pair or you can match together. So, and you have to be careful with these. I did open one and spill it everywhere because I wasn't being careful about orienting it correctly. And so this last one is Arctic, and it is a gray shimmery. Ooh, it's like a silver. So it's like a silver. I swatched stuff earlier here, so sorry about that. But see, it's a gray silver shimmer. I can see combining these 3 colors for a look with that lip. So you can really take everything in the bag and just make a look out of it. So I really like that. I'm actually going to keep everything together in the same bag so I can have look bags. Actually, I just decided I'm going to do that from now on with their stuff. Because they are curated to go together, and so yeah, I'm gonna keep them like this. Anyway, that's everything in today's bag for Apocalyptic Beauty. Let me know if you get Apocalyptic Beauty, if you want me to try on anything in future videos. Please consider subscribing if you like my videos, or just to support me if you like me in general. I'm pretty cool, pretty nice. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.